Well, this is a surprise because this car is red, and if you know my channel, I don't have a Model 3. Yes, guys, we're in the Tesla Model 3, and not just any Model 3. This is the Model 3 Performance, and it's not my usual car, right? You know that I have a Tesla Model Y Performance, so why the hell am I in the Model 3? Well, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on to see my car history with the Teslas as well as my other cars. But we're talking about EVs today. I'm in the Model 3 because we have a service issue going on with the Tesla Model Y. And at this point, we still don't know exactly what the issue is. We're working on it. But we're in the Model 3. Now, I did test drive the Model 3 when I was looking for my next new car and decided to go with a Model Y. But this is now 2023 and there's some big changes. So I figured I'd do a quick review, my quick observations on the differences in this car. So this is our new ride. I'm gonna walk around here and show you this car. So the first thing you notice in sitting in this car, first of all, I love the interior because what? It's white like my Model Y Performance. And I still owe you guys a video on how that interior is holding up after 70,000 miles and over 2 years. And I will do that. Trust me, promise, it's coming. But one of the things you immediately notice sitting in this car is that the driving position, you have a command position in the Model Y when you're driving it. In the Model 3, you're lower to the ground. It also is a lighter car, and you can feel it. I'm telling you, when I've been driving the Model Y, you can tell that it's a big, heavy, 2.5 ton SUV. The Model 3 feels a little bit more nimble, and it's also the Performance, so comparing one to the other is unbelievable. The other thing that I noticed too, you know, the build quality of my car was actually pretty good, but I'm impressed. I mean, what they've done with the 2023 model, like the touch surfaces are way better. It's softer. On my car, it's hard plastic, and well, it kind of sucks. But on this car, it actually is really good. I'm impressed. So there've also been some noticeable changes. You can tell the charging pads are different and no longer has a lid. On my car, it actually has the lid. This is the updated version. I think the visibility around this car is so much better, I think, in the 3 than the Y, probably because the rear deck here is a full-size window, and unlike this. Oh, I also see in my rearview mirror here, there's a Rivian coming up, so I want to show that to you. That thing has so much presence on the road. I like these cars a lot, actually. They're pretty cool. Let's hope they survive. The seating position is actually also pretty good. Like I said, you're lower to the ground, more like a race car. Because again, you have this dashboard, you don't have something in front of you. The open feeling of this is pretty nice. I like the new Alcantara dash cards here. That's pretty nice as well. Just overall, the fit and finish of this car and how it drives. I know it's the same conventional suspension. It's not the air suspension of the Model X or the Model S, but it rides pretty good. It almost feels like it's better tuned than the Model Y. And so I picked up this car with 154 miles on it. So literally, it's a brand new Tesla. And I have it for a few days until they sort my car out. But overall, I actually like this, and it's probably about $5,000. I think I have to look. With all the price changes that happened with Tesla recently, I don't really remember, but I think it's about $5,000 less for the Model Y versus the Model 3 Performance. But you guys can fact check me and let me know. I'll correct it if it's wrong. Just discovered something. This car has navigate on Autopilot. Whoa, that's kind of cool. But overall, I think this is still a very good car. I think electric in terms of maintenance, other than what's happening now, and again, I don't know what the issue is. We'll find out. You and I are on this journey together. But I mean, the cost for operating the Model Y has been fractions of what my daily driver would have been, which was going to be the RS6 Avant. So I'll let you know about that. But my view, a quick review on the Tesla Model 3, great vehicle. It's just a baby Model Y, so to speak, or it can say the Model Y is a big brother Model 3, however you want to say it. I guess the 3 became before the Y, but I do love this a lot. I like the color combination. I'm hoping to do the new red that I think we're going to be getting in the US. Who knows? We'll see. But overall, I like this car. So that's my quick one take, or it's not really a one take, but it's close enough to a one take on this 2023 Model 3 Performance. It zooms. I do like it. The fit and finish is so much better. And I like where Tesla is going. So would I purchase one? I kind of want, all my cars are small sports cars. So I would want an SUV like I had with the X5 and X6M. So I probably wouldn't do the Model 3, but I think it's a great daily driver for anybody who's looking for something EV that's fun, that you can get into, that's low maintenance and pretty zippy and save you on maintenance and fuel cost. So that's my quick take on the Tesla Model 3 Performance 2023. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on. I don't know why I said it like that. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.